Hi guys, so we're at Petersfield station level crossing in Hampshire. We're joining them trains. There we go. That one doesn't bang it just really wags a bit. Time is 13:56 on Saturday the 23rd of July 2016. This is for. Hang on. You're 13:57. 2 Papa 46 Southwest train service from Portsmouth and South Sea to London Waterloo, and this is our train to Liss.
Yeah, so we've got to go now.
It shouldn't be pulling in straight away, should it?
I don't think so.
No, it's not. Actually, no, we're in sight yet.
They might have closed it a little bit early. So actually, this is for a double stay as well, because there's a train coming.
That alarm's not bad. No.
Yeah, there's a train coming down from London. Is that inside?
Is there?
Yeah, it's 1400 to Portsmouth Harbour.
Ah. I don't think. Here it is.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Is the 13:57 Southwest train service to London Waterloo.
Satsville Sayer.
Yeah, also, yeah.
There it is.
Here comes the Portsmouth Harbour train.
And we have this one going to Liss. We've got 450-079.
Also, as you're saying as well, sorry guys, is that we can't
Get 2 closures.
we can't get. Well, we got the closure, but it's just we have to get on this train, otherwise we start to get for another hour to get to Liss.
Yeah. Yeah. $450-032.
This is Petersfield. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Liss.
Yeah. 450-032. I don't think we might see it. I'm not sure.
It might stop. Here, this is last coach, I think. Oh, there's one more. We'll see it anyway.
Right. And we'll see you at Liss.